Hi, Brian Hirsch with REM-Fit. I'm here today to speak with you a little bit about our newest innovation, the ZEEQ Smart Pillow. Let's open up the box and look what's inside. Upon opening your ZEEQ Smart Pillow box, the first thing you'll notice is the ZEEQ user manual. It's located on the inside lid of your box. Be sure to read through it completely during setup to help guide you through the process. Covering your ZEEQ Smart Pillow is your ZEEQ Insert Information Guide. On the information guide, you'll see all the components that live inside of your ZEEQ Smart Pillow. Underneath your ZEEQ Smart Pillow, you'll find a few other components that are part of the unboxing process. You're going to find the expandable fill for ZEEQ. We'll talk a bit more about this later and how you can adjust your pillow to fit your comfort needs. You'll find the ZEEQ Quick Start Guide. This guide will walk you through the process of linking your ZEEQ to your smart devices. One of the first things you'll notice about ZEEQ is the external charging dongle. This is where you're going to plug your ZEEQ into your charger and able to give the ZEEQ power for its 2-week lifespan. Also, you can use it for your volume control. Another unique feature about ZEEQ is the fact that the cover itself can be unzipped and completely removed from the pillow. You can do this for washing, but also to access the pillow itself to change the fill. By accessing the double zipper on the inside of the pillow, you're able to access the components. You can remove the loft to decrease the volume of the pillow, or utilizing the extra components we give you during the unboxing process, add loft to the pillow to give it a bit more size. To learn more and to see how to get the most out of your ZEEQ pillow, please visit us at the REM-Fit TV channel on YouTube.